My name is Charles Chen. I am a wellness chef. I gained over 100 pounds. I was pre-diabetic. I had heart problems. Food actually saved my life. I transformed my life through food. Meditation is just not sitting on a couch in a Buddha position. The reason why I meditate is because it allows me to have self-awareness. Self-awareness is key and essential to any success. Meditation is basically just giving yourself some time to step back and to observe. Through meditation, through anything of awareness, breath work, yoga, walking your dog, tea, all these things just slow you down. Slow the heck down. I'm a hustler for sure. Take a break. Take 5 minutes, take 10 minutes to yourself. If you don't know how to meditate, there are a bunch of meditation apps that will help guide you and they'll walk you through it. So you're not just sitting there feeling stupid. I promise you that if you give yourself just 5 minutes, start with 2 minutes, 5 minutes, do a guided meditation, that you'll feel so much better.